guess what time it is?
Time to check out the chicken hawk.
You jerked it out of my head.
Oh my gosh. I think I look bald. I think I need a hat.
Hey guys, guess what time it is?
Time to check out the chicken hawk.
The chicken hawk. Right in front of her face.
It's been a long time since we've done this together.
Hey guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
If you're not a sub, become a sub.
And if you already are one, thank you so much. We appreciate you guys.
And today,
wait, hit the like button.
Oh. Okay,
And
stop. Okay.
And don't forget to hit the like button.
You know it. And today it's going to be the walkthrough of the
Chicken hawk.
The chicken hawk.
Finally, we're going to show you guys our camper.
Yeah, the Jayhawk 23 MRB.
Yes, the one we went to Missouri to pick up.
Let's check it out.
Okay guys, finally we have it ready to go to show you the inside of our camper. Right here's the couch. It's jackknifes out, and this is the Murphy bed that folds down. It helps to create like 9 feet of space when it's folded up.
Nice.
Yes. We got these ottomans. They're storage ottomans. We're not sure we're going to keep them, but anyway, we've got those. On either side, we have hanging storage. This is one of those things that collects moisture.
Those things work.
Yes, and then there's plugs on both sides and another cabinet. There's USB plugs on that side, so that's awesome. We're looking forward to that. There's a little cross stitch that Mimi made us that we just love.
Okay, so let me back up. Look at all this space that we have. This is the chicken hawk.
Also behind these ottomans, oh, and there's Oscar. This is a table, an outdoor table that pulls out, and these are, we have 2 drawers, which I don't even have anything in because
so much storage.
I don't need them. There's Oscar.
All right, let's look at the kitchen.
Okay, hold on. I want to show you something over here that we
okay.
missed as we came in. There's a nice little cubby right here by the door.
Oh, that is huge.
Yeah, and then another plug right there. And then I just love the way the kitchen is like kind of separated with this little island.
It really is.
Got a double stainless steel sink. It came with this little drying rack. It's undermounted, and this is solid surface countertops. It's a residential style faucet, which is awesome. Has a little sprayer. It's a cool little pop-up plug, which I can't wait to have like
shower plug
coffee station here.
How cool is that?
It's a cute little van, little camper from Natural Life. We've got 4 drawers. Well, actually 3. This top one is like a sponge holder, which actually I think is kind of a waste of space. And then 3 drawers. We've got silverware, junk drawer, and nothing.
Wow.
This is the cabinet under the sink.
Gosh, it's huge.
I've got pots and pans, and then just this little thing that holds bags. We have a 3-burner stove, gas stove, an oven, and I stored all our towels in there.
As usual.
Microwave.
All right.
Which is actually kind of tall for me. I'm short. And this is an awesome cabinet up here. It's really deep. And so I've got our little mini Keurig and little K-cups over here. I've got coffee in here, our coffee maker, coffee cups.
I love the smoked glass.
Yes. That's an awesome cabinet.
Really cool.
It goes way back. Okay, right next to the stovetop, we've got the freezer.
That's a big refrigerator.
What did you say? It was 8
cubic feet.
Yeah, so it's kind of the medium Jayco food.
But it has a separate refrigerator.
Yeah.
Which is super nice.
That's true. Our other one, it was, yeah, that's right. I didn't think about that, yeah. And then right here, I've got our pantry. I've got like condiments, and we've got some plastic dishes and stuff back there. And then right here, I've got paper towels. And like baggies and foil and all that.
Look how deep that cabinet goes.
It goes so far back.
You can't even reach that far back, man. Then there's another pantry.
Yeah, so up here I have cleaning supplies. This is just like tablecloths. Can you see how far back that goes though?
It's huge.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so one more thing we wanted to show you over here in the kitchen is this nifty little knife holder back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knives can fit back there.
Yeah. Butcher block.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Somebody made that for us here in town. Awesome.
Mini super slide.
Yeah, and in the entertainment center, the TV's 40 inches. And there's cabinets on either side of the radio.
Gosh, a lot of room.
I've got games and stuff down there. Nice big windows behind the dinette. Nice and cozy.
The size of that table too.
Yeah, the table's nice and big, and this flips over and straps right here to the dinette during travel. These slide down, they're the darker shades.
And we like those.
There's another storage down here.
I love this.
Yeah, that we can turn off and on, like a little accent light.
It is the perfect light in here.
Okay, off to the kitchen is the bathroom.
Yeah. This is what sold us, man.
Oh, this is the best in here.
Show us the shower.
Okay, so this is the nice big shower.
It's a roller track.
Yeah.
Doors.
I'm not sure. These aren't glass. Oops.
But look how big it is.
Squeegee felt. Yeah, it is a really nice shower.
And it actually has shelves you can put stuff on.
Well, that one. Not these are useless.
I know.
What is the deal with
I don't
that?
know. What's the deal, man?
So it's got a Fit Flush porcelain toilet. Oscar loves it. And this is the vanity. Yeah, I've just got our essentials up here.
Look at that nice sink.
Yeah. And then down here, I've got like extra toilet paper and some toiletries and toilet treatment and stuff like that. Oh wait, I'll show you the nightlight. And there's a blue nightlight in here.
You flip it on and off and you're gonna find out. This is pretty awesome. Pretty bright at nighttime.
But this is seriously what sold us.
Yeah.
Like, we have never seen a camper that has this.
Not
so,
in this size.
Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, we have 4 drawers. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers.
Well, look at the size of them.
They are like dresser drawers.
Get ready.
Open this.
Yeah. Look
Y'all.
at the size.
Look at this. Okay,
this.
so back here I've got another one of these moisture collectors. Look at that. That is like 2 weeks worth of moisture.
Man, those work.
So I've got beach towels, first aid kit. I've just got a couple of rain jackets that we keep in here. I've got hangers. This will actually probably go somewhere else. I've just got it in here for now.
Look at that.
This is a full-size laundry basket.
It's fitting in.
Like that you have in your house.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we've got a whole nother, the whole rack extends that far for hanging clothes, y'all.
Can you believe it?
It is so awesome. Actually, Mark's going to show you how the bed works.
Yeah, because it can be a little tricky. First, here's just a quick overview of the chicken hawk. Look at all this room. I'm getting ready to do a turn and burn. Who remembers that? Right there. Look at this. Oh, we love it.